What's up, everybody? No, I haven't made a video in a long time. Your boy sound a little stuffy, but I am getting stuff done slowly but for surely. So don't mind the vans and all the other junk, but I am getting stuff done. Valve covers on. Gotta put a starter on. Ran the wires for all the accessories. Knock sensor, oxygen sensor. This is the one for the starter way back here. I don't know if you can see that. So I gotta run another wire to that one, and it connects to this one. I have to buy heat shielded tape because, you know, if you know Dodgers, you know that the knock sensor is behind the starter, and it gets really hot because it's also down there. So wires already ran. So I did run into a couple problems while doing this. So my first major problem is, ta-da, these wires, transmission line, has to switch over here for the radiator, but they don't for some odd reason. And then I gotta figure out why. That's my problem. 2, I need to make sure this amount of balance is pushed all the way back in the socket it's supposed to. That's 2 problems. 3rd problem is the brake caliper. It is, I don't know if y'all can see that. See that little crit right there? That's where my brake line hits. Because these are 2.7 brake lines, and I needed the V8 ones, which I should have got when I was in junkyard, but I didn't. So my goal is to just chop a little excess off, just grind it down a little bit, and make it work. It should have no problem working. But I got brakes for it. These are the old ones that came with it. I got brakes for it. So the intake is on. It is clean. I figured out the wires. I was having a problem with all these wires. But these are for the fog lights, which I just need the car running right now. I don't really care about fog lights right now. I just need it running. So these are the 3 main lights that I need. 1, 2, and 3. These is going to the fog lights to carry over there. But there's another one over there too, just like it. So I just have, so as you can see, let me see that. So 1 right here, 2 and 3. That's all they have. That's it. But I think I'm gonna do some custom. Once they get on the road, I think I'm gonna go to the junkyard, get some lights, open it, and then do my own little custom thing with the headlights and stuff like that. Do my own little custom thing. So, but that's not a line. So, brake lines are in. I don't know if I said that last video, but they're not tightened, but they're in. I have the radiator, AC condenser. So right here. The fan is over there. I know it's a little junky, but let's get it done. Power steering, everything's on. I gotta get, like I said, I need the fuel injectors, which not on. I need one of these screws for the other side that fell off. I don't know where it's at. I have this. It's outside. I got this, the fuel rail. It's outside. I just gotta put it on. And I bought this from junkyard too. I just gotta put it on. So the only thing left to wire up is this other knock sensor over here, which goes right here. So, and I don't have the reservoir. I don't know what happened to my reservoir. I guess it broke. I don't know what happened to it. But I need another one of those. Need another sensor. So there's a bunch of minor stuff that I gotta do that I haven't really done yet. So, but the major problem that I need to do right now is body injectors, spark plugs. So I can put these bad boys on. I could crank it up with all this stuff, with none of this stuff connected. I could crank it up. As long as it cranks up, I'm fine. So my game plan is to buy the ejectors, spark plugs. I gotta buy the throttle body to try to turn over. So we gonna see. But yeah, man. So it's not a lot, but just a bunch of small, minor stuff that I need to do. The hoses are connected back there. They're not solid connected back there. I gotta reconnect them, but they are connected back here. So I just gotta tighten them up on the firewall. Got the power steering. Brake fluid's connected. Windshield wiper motor connected. Everything's connected. I gotta buy 4 oxygen sensors, but like I said, can't count without that. So I do need that little black little sensor that be hanging off this little wire, and I think this is it. So yeah. So the only thing that stopped me from doing the front tires are, like I said, the brake caliber. I gotta cut it a little bit to make it fit. And let me show you the insides. So everything dashboard in, I got to tie it down still. Took the steering wheel out. I got the AC unit that I needed. Seats in, back seats in. I don't know if you guys can see that. Clean the top of the car off a little bit. All this junk, that's the stuff that go on the driver's seat, but I'm gotta finish it. So, yeah, man. So, I'm getting there slowly. And I'm gonna cross the stuff off my list, as you can see. I got the gear ordered, so I'm putting it in, clean the intake, and installed it. Connect wires. I haven't got injectors, headlights, still gotta worry about the radiator. I bought all that, just haven't installed it. Hood, got a bumper, oxygen system, we don't worry about that. Oil, I got it, I just haven't put it on. Brake fluid, don't got that yet. Stuff like this, this is small stuff that I haven't really, tackled yet. So one day, and my goal is to push it out of the garage. Because I need to hook the drive shaft up so I can turn the back wheel. So I can put the bolts to the torque converter to the flywheel. So my game plan is push the car out, jack it up on all 4 jacks. Excuse me. Hook the drive shaft up, tighten all the bolts in the rear end. Try to put the torque converter versus the bolts in, which ain't no like 4 of them. Drop it down, cut the little brake thing I said, which is this. Cut it. Put the brakes back on, and put the brakes back on, drop the car down, finish wiring it up. So it's not a long list, but it's just a bunch of small stuff that I need to get done. Because I got the coupler, just haven't put it on yet. But just a little video, show y'all, updated video, just to show y'all. But yeah, man, I'm getting there slowly. So, yeah, man, the biggest part I needed to buy is the fuel injectors and the spark plugs. I don't know if the coil packs work, so I guess that's gonna be a trial and error. Sorry. So, I need to figure out how much the heat shrink wrap costs, because that's gonna be pretty penny. So, I can't even put all them wires down there until I buy the heat shrink wrap, because that's gonna burn. So, and I got about a tool to unclip this fuel rail, because I'm tired of looking at it. But what I was trying to find out is the 5.7 and the 6.1 fuel injectors are the same. If that's the case, I could just clean the ones I got and put them back in. But if they're not, I gotta buy some new ones. So, yeah. And that screw is missing. It is, I don't know if I can see it. I don't know if y'all can see it. Missing the screw somewhere. There you go, right here. See, missing the screw. Just like that, just missing it though. See? Right. So, gotta replace that screw. So, I gotta go to the junkyard also and figure out how to wire up the headlights. That's the last thing I gotta wire up is the headlights. Everything else back here is fine. I had everything wired up, no cut wires, except that one little sensor that's grounded to the block. And the oxygen sensor, but that's a plug-in, so you don't worry about that. Sorry. And oh yeah, I forgot about this. I gotta buy that one sensor that goes on here. Well, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm just gonna take it from the junkyard and splice it in and call it a day. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So the only wiring issue I'm gonna have is the headlights, because I don't think it matches up with my headlights that I have now. So more like a trial and error at this point. So we're gonna find out how everything fit. Hope everything works out. I know looking back now, but I haven't made a video in a long time. So hopefully by next time I'll make another video. Car be done somewhat. And then I still got the hood pins, so I can stop using a little hood latch and use the other ones. So I'm getting there, but this is a short-lived video. Just keep y'all tuned in. You know, all my 2 subscribers I got. So we're getting there. I know it's 5.7 intake on a 6.1, but like I said, this is a budget build, and you know, I get what I can afford. Peace.